yo, it's Mr. Unstoppable, and today I'll be reacting to Mr. Beast lost to take the hand off the jet keeps it.
Put their hands on it. Whoever keeps their hand on the longest wins the private.
He's got big YouTubers. I'm like, he is a big YouTuber himself, but takes effort.
Yeah. But if at any point they take their hand off,
respect to the people who decide to participate.
Eliminated. The challenge has officially started. The rules are simple. You can't push someone.
He's got
and
Nico, Chunks, Vic, Speed. He's got a lot of them.
I've got nothing on the schedule. I can stay here forever.
I am willing to do anything, including crap my own pants. I heard there was going to be a lot of loud and obnoxious people on this shoot.
Where did it be? Get off!
Yeah, Speed's just trying to get them out.
No joke, the winner of this challenge is getting a private jet. So of course,
bro, he has money like that. He's like, literally, he can get a private jet.
they all tried to find the best spot.
I'm in the best spot, the lowest spot in the plane.
I think I've actually got the best spot I've ever got like that.
The jet is actually way bigger than I thought.
I think Kyrie's got a good spot, you know.
They're making their way on the other side of the wing.
How am I going to do this?
Just slide your hand.
Jimmy.
So how comfortable is this position?
I almost just went like with my right hand.
You have to be careful because there's a lot online.
Oh, George, if you were grabbing something, I think you might have let go.
No, I'm locked in, don't worry.
Yeah, what's your strategy for winning this thing?
I have a lot of perseverance in my spirit, but I've got to be honest, speed. Speed is...
Yeah, Speed is making it difficult. Yeah, valid.
Dude, the wheel's pretty comfortable.
I am. Yeah, you were. We're both logical people.
Exactly.
I'm rested.
He just got out. He just moved his hand.
Oh no.
I think we might have just got someone out.
Oh my gosh, Vic's out.
Did Vic just lose? Vic, are you out?
He really lifted his hand right in front of him.
He literally lifted it in front of Mr. Beast. No need to even check the cameras.
I thought this was a logical spot.
You guys tell me what you think. See Vic's hand right there?
Yeah.
That is 100% off. Like, the off the tire.
Yeah. This
That's 100% out.
$2.5 million jet isn't yours.
They'll pick me up when they win.
Goodbye, Vic.
They're literally doing a parade for him.
Not Alpha, who's out next?
I think Chunks.
Yeah, Chunks might get out.
Looks like he's bittering out there.
Chuck, buddy, word on the street is you want to leave.
Essentially.
Would you get out if I gave you my debit card?
Wait, and it works?
Yep.
If I was Chunks, I would leave because a credit card is probably worth a lot, especially if it's Mr. Beast's. Yeah.
Nah, I swear to God, now I'm tempted. Oh my God. Think of the video. How much can I spend?
He'll probably stop after 10 grand. So yeah. Yep. Oh my God!
And he left. Just like that. Simple. Nico's shocked.
There you go.
He lifted his arm up and Speed actually got out. That's the most incredible thing that has ever happened. Like, he literally got out and Speed's probably going to blame Chunks now. I'm like, it's good for Laser Beam because he's not going to have any difficulties now. He is angry.
I'll let you do the judgment. I'm gonna go forward.
Yeah, that is clearly off.
Hey, where's the date?
Bro, that's you 5 seconds ago. So your hand comes in the frame to high five him, and
Yeah, that's the funniest thing. Chunks literally got him out.
Just made 10 grand and made Speed leave for nothing.
So disappointed.
That is crazy.
Oh no.
Back-to-back outs.
What are you looking
He's like back to back out.
at, man? This guy keeps following me, man.
Push Speed!
I literally think flexing. He's literally flexing his muscles.
Voted on. 3 people have been eliminated, so I'm gonna make things harder. Conveniently, we rented this entire airport. So
That's what I'm saying. He's too rich. He's renting the entire airport. Like, what is this?
we're gonna go for a walk. Carl? Yes. I need you not to drive too fast. If you get them all...
It's a plane, mate.
They literally have to walk with the plane. That's a bit crazy.
It's because I'm challenged, fair enough. Like, what do they think I'm
I think my hand's slowly going numb.
I can't believe we're actually competing for a private jet.
My feet are hurt. There's a big old warehouse
They can't believe it.
over there. Here's our next destination, coming up in front.
Destination reached.
After 2 hours in the challenge, the boys needed a bathroom break. You want to test our peak method?
How risky?
To be honest, I think Harry's gonna win. He's looking pretty confident.
I'll be right back.
Let's see.
Let me introduce you guys to the good old bucket method. Hey, keep that hand
Oh,
on.
so sad. The bucket. Oh, no, I don't even want to think of that.
If this hand comes off, he loses. I don't care if he's peeing.
My f***'s out now, by the way, so don't come round. I deserve my privacy. I missed the bucket. I'm so sorry.
He missed the bucket.
We don't fake things around here. Yeah, I just need a good, clean camera shot of his.
Oh, they're all having prime.
And throughout this entire challenge, we have an army of people staring at their hands. We'll know if they come
They're literally examining them. Like, there's no way someone's gonna get away with it.
off the jet.
My hands on the private jet listening to the man pee.
Laser, can you come on up to the front over here? Oh, how? I don't know. Figure it out.
Guys.
He has to figure it out.
I'll give you all a ride on my jet if you let me under.
Since you have the most subscribers, you pick the order we go in the jet.
We'll go on in reverse order.
Oh, he just made life difficult for everyone. Like, that's just sad.
It's gonna be
Oh, Nico's gonna have to think of a way.
I'm on the carpet. It's not funny, Tariq. This is hilarious. He's literally crawling up.
Please let me under, let me under.
I'm sorry, we're getting serious now. Might be a bit sticky though.
If Nico actually gets on, yeah, he's elite. He's literally elite.
Not like that. Yeah, what are you doing?
It's working. Guys, please.
Sorry,
How can I get through?
He said sorry, man. Gosh. Guys, don't.
Oh, that's so risky.
It's literally
The others are literally not helping. That's so sad. I feel bad for Nico.
under a fingertips. You're on it. No, shut up.
He got there.
This is nice.
That was literally torture.
Yeah, I could see my friend flying up in the sky in this.
Whoever wins this jet has to give it to someone else. Because obviously these guys are YouTubers. They don't need a private.
I mean, like, they might need it for a video. So, yeah.
It could be you if you subscribe to my channel.
If he wins.
I'm on.
The way Mr. Beast said, if he wins. Like, dude.
So what do you think of the jet, boys?
Solid.
There's 8 seats and 8 of you. But for us to fly, I need to sit here. So I kind of need someone to get out.
Someone needs to get out. That's just so sad. That's just sad.
Just let me know whenever one of you wants to get out.
All right, Jimmy.
I left them alone in the jet for hours, and no one got out. So I made them do laps around the plane.
You start going?
Oh, what? I'm gonna go like under the plane.
I'm coming over
They
here.
have to go under the plane now.
Has to get out. In case you forgot, this jet is literally $2.5 million. These boys got a lot on the line.
My hand goes off this. I'm done.
Don't worry, man. You're just winging it.
Never speak to me again, please.
I'm not getting back on that plane until someone's lost.
Yeah. So they're literally doing laps. Is this what the video has come to?
You need to entice these guys to leave, man.
Bro, I don't need to. When you're sleepy, it's game over.
I'm not getting back on that plane until...
Guys to leave, man.
Bro, I don't need to. When you're sleepy, it's game over.
Yeah, you have to try not to be sleepy. Yeah, that's valid.
It's Will. I'm telling you, Will is the one to go for. He's cracking.
20k, I'll go.
I heard some deals are happening. What's going on?
They've offered me 20k from the winner if I take my hand off now.
The winner wins a
The winner has to give 20k to him. That's actually a lot.
jet, not money.
Are you fine with us making that deal?
Yeah, if you guys pay him 20 grand. Oh! Okay. All right.
And he did it. He got out.
Oh my God, that is sweaty. Now that Will is out, that means we can fly the jet around. Everyone,
And now they're flying the jet.
get in the jet. I'll take that. Beautiful. This is nice. Everyone, get in the jet. I'll take that. Beautiful.
They're literally trying their best to get on.
This is nice.
I want it back.
The inside, the only thing in play is the exterior. The chairs and stuff like that do not count.
Oh, he just touched the chair. Yeah, he's out.
I'm gonna be honest. I think I'm out.
What did you do?
The chair.
Oh!
That's honest of you, though.
Ready?
He's literally honest. That's good. That's good. That's good being honest.
No, it's got a good angle. Definitely not on the window. At least Kim was honest. He ratted on himself.
Thank you, Jimmy.
He should get $10,000 just for honesty.
I know, it hasn't come off the jet.
Let's see this bad boy in the air.
Good evening, gentlemen. We'll be on our way fairly shortly.
On our way where? Can I ask?
Yeah, just lay back.
I'll chill out. I'll chill.
I really hope you guys didn't, when you had your hands on the outside mess.
Nico's trying to find out where they're going.
Oh, dude. What do you mean? Wait.
I don't know, I'm just saying.
If this plane crashes, do I get to keep all of their channels?
Always says a lot of stuff.
Carl really wants it.
That did not sound good.
This is it. There she goes. Anything could hit us out the sky.
Boys, what way are we going?
There's a lot of lights that way, so that could be London. So we could be going. I've got.
They truly don't know.
It's just so funny seeing the wing you guys are just slapping 10,000 feet in the air.
His hand just... He's out. Regretted decision.
And the best part is he has to fly to the next destination and back with us, even though he's out. After over an hour in the air, I still didn't tell them where we were going. We may or may not be landing soon. Where do you think we are?
I have no idea.
Liverpool. Look for the option.
I think they're in London.
Ireland or Scotland.
Well, I reckon it's South End Airport. I reckon we still left.
Where are we? Where are you taking us, please?
That's the hangar! We just did a lap! That's right, I just told the pilot to
They just did a lap. So they literally went round and round.
fly around in circles for a couple hours. Oh my god! Congratulations, you got pranked. We went in a circle. Boys, come on out. This is where the real fun begins. Everyone's tired.
Oh, everyone's tired. It's night time. Yeah, they're gone.
The challenge is gonna get interesting.
In the hangar we go. Again.
It's time to feed the contestants. I bought things like steak and spaghetti that are really hard to eat with one hand.
Oh, is that spaghetti? A wooden fork? For a steak.
After dinner, I have a special surprise for all of you.
The way that fork just broke.
See you in a minute.
Special surprise. Imagine it says, someone's out. I hope you enjoyed that meal.
We're down to the final 5. It's time we get serious. I need you guys to pair up into groups of 2. I'm saying no more.
Oh, there's only 5.
Groups of 2. Oh, they have to choose one person to get eliminated. Oh, that's sad.
Brother? Yes? Me and you? Come on, we've got this.
I'm alone, I've been ditched.
Oh, yeah, he's alone.
Carl, you know what to do.
Left hands. Put them together.
Oh, what is this? I feel like I might have gone away with something, but I don't know what's coming. Is something happening bad to me?
Go here, George.
I don't know if this is even fair. They can move their arm. I can't move my arm. George. I'll just sit here.
If Laser wins, a 9-year-old kid
He'll just sit there.
gets the jet. If Nico wins, his editor gets the jet.
When I was 5, I was really ill. I had leukemia. So I'm gonna find someone and try and give them the start that I
Okay. They're all trying to be helpful.
didn't have after that.
Wow.
Yeah, I was
So
trying
you'll
to
find
change.
someone who recovers from leukemia
Yeah.
and give him a jet?
I'm gonna try my best.
I would find someone who's willing to sell the jet and then donate all that money to a children's charity.
Really?
No. We are bonded forever
He's like, nah, I'm joking.
after this. Is this alright?
Me and Mr. Laser have found the best position.
I met you 24 hours ago. Now look at us.
Lean your head on my chest later.
Just 24 hours ago.
To the side. Yeah. There you go.
How's it going on down there?
Bro, we're living. We're chilling, bro.
This is literally the biggest prize I've ever given away, and they're starting to get a little too comfortable. I banned the wings to make it harder, but it doesn't seem like that's working. They have 60 seconds to stand up.
I think I
Oh, now they have to stand up. That's just sad.
know what's coming and it's not good.
Okay, everyone is standing again.
Yes, let's go with the routines.
Since nobody was getting out, I'm gonna bring out the red tape. I decided to give them
Not the red tape. Oh, come on.
even less room on the jet. If you touch the red line or go below it, you are out. Starting now.
We're in this together.
Let's see how badly they want this jet. Let's see how badly they want this jet.
They want it really badly.
Are you allowed to do that?
What?
Hold your hand.
Yeah, why not?
No wonder you haven't moved. You've been holding it in place.
we've been doing this for like an hour now, and everyone is still kind of going strong. I guess Harry's looking a bit wobbly.
An hour? That's literally long.
It's 5 a.m. I think I'm more tired than they are.
We have a proposition. I'm gonna coin flip this young gentleman over here. Whoever loses takes their hand off the jet.
Heads, you stay on.
I already do that.
Tails, you stay on. A $2.5 million jet on the line.
Oh my god. Oh, ow. Watch out.
Oh! Get off the jet! It's on.
It's heads.
Get off the jet! Is he a man of his word?
That's so... He literally did it to get laser beam out, but he got out himself.
How does it feel to be free?
It's very nice, but I miss him, man. I miss my boy.
I believe in you, Harry. Hold that hand up. See you later. See you, boys. I'm going to bed.
I wish I could. To celebrate Callie's getting out, I say we make it harder. Everyone, pick a
Oh, not making it harder.
finger.
This beauty here.
As of now, that is all that matters.
I'm gonna go with the pointer.
Okay, pointer as well. Everyone's pointing finger. From now
They're all doing it with their pointer.
on, that is the only finger that matters till you guys start dropping.
Not good.
It's so difficult now.
This is painful. I'm only 10 seconds in. I have the benefit of this other hand here. We need to get our tape off, to be fair with Harry.
Give it like 30 minutes and I'll cut all the tape off.
Can I coin flip it, take my tape off if I get heads?
If you'll leave, sure.
Let's flip the coin. Heads, take it off. I'm doing this for you, Nico.
Oh, heads take it off. Okay.
Tails, that means he's out.
I didn't have a chance.
He's out, but the tape's gone. So he did it for Nico. Aye. That's literally kindness.
Unless we took this tape off.
Oh, I'm sorry,
But
mate.
Nico, you've got to take it home, buddy.
This is
For
my-
Nico, it's for Nico.
Oh!
It's for Nico.
my
Take it home,
God.
buddy.
I'll let you pick. Do we make George wait the 30 minutes or do I cut him out now?
I want to see a fair ending. Take it off. Take
Okay.
it off.
I appreciate that.
Nah, I want to see a
really
battle of
free.
willpower.
Good luck.
A battle of willpower, huh?
Keep your finger on the jet.
This is what I needed for me to win. It's gonna be so disrespectful when you lose.
If you win, who is getting this jet?
I think it's just gonna have to be my mum. I've got no one else. I really want to give it to my editor, George.
We should call your editor. George, what's up, man?
Oh my gosh.
Now, Nico is saying that if he wins, he's giving this jet to you. Do you have any words of encouragement for Nico?
Encouragement as you've gone this far.
Aye, that's a good encouragement.
Thank you, George. Thank you.
I'm gonna split it between my brother and my sister.
Oh, really?
I grew up with them, man, so I want to try and give them something special. The sun's coming through up there.
Seeing daylight. That's the only way we can actually tell the time. This is very tough.
My arm is dying.
You ready to make this a little harder? I need you to face that direction.
Oh, that's difficult.
Oh, look, I've done it.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm like losing.
Oh, I should have just done like that.
Yeah, there we go. Nico is struggling here.
Just get out already.
I can't.
Oh, I feel bad for Nico.
Come on. Now's not the time, Nolan.
I left them alone for a while, and then we caught something on one of our cameras. One of you has gotten out. Who do you
I think it's... Okay, I don't know.
think it is? Someone go review his footage. It was not. I got something I need to show you. Is that your hand? Is that your hand?
That is my hand.
It was literally off.
Oh, Nico put him off for like literally 0.1 second.
For no joke, one singular frame.
I got to take my hand off.
Well, I mean, you can leave it on, but you're not winning the jet, man. There,
Oh, that's just sad.
clear airspace. Wow.
Well played, guys.
It is now down to George and Harry.
I want you to check, though.
I'm going to check Harry.
Can't believe I was
I don't think Harry did it.
this close to winning. Who do I think's gonna win? I feel like
Who do you think's gonna win? What do you mean? How about here's who did win?
Oh, they found out.
Don't tell them who it is. Gentlemen, the challenge is officially over.
I know when it happened as well.
Yeah.
Literally a minute before you came out and it skipped, and I was like, no!
He's just speaking gibberish.
Harry, I'm sorry, man. What, you can go ahead and take your finger off.
No!
If you look right here, see that finger? It's not Harry's. It's actually George's.
The biggest plot twist ever.
No,
Wait.
you trolling. You actually trolled me.
Yeah. Harry,
He actually won.
come on! Oh, yeah!
His brother and sister be happy.
George, you were this close.
What?
But close doesn't matter. Harry just won this jet. Yes! Oh, your hands so sweaty. Congratulations. Who are you giving the jet to?
My brother and my sister.
Let's go to him right now.
3, 2,
One. I swear to God.
They're so happy. They're like, wait a minute.
He's done it! Subscribe to Mr. Beast. He's a legend. Buy all his chocolate and stuff, everything.
And in case you're wondering, we're gonna offset all the carbon emitted during the filming of this video by 10-fold. And we're also gonna offset any future carbon emitted by the winner of this jet.